Hi everyone, welcome back to our amazing series of CUET UG Philosophy paper. We have done already 2 questions and 2 more questions to go. So don't skip the video. Just do these 2 more questions, and you will do. You have actually we have done the series for 4 questions, but all these 4 questions, the way I try to explain one particular question, all the necessary information, details, inside, all the definitions, theories, meaning, synonyms, and related to that particular question, all the facts and reality check or that I provide it over here. Actually you are doing a lot, so one question is almost equal to doing 3 to 4 questions. So by the time you are doing 4 questions, you are solving almost 16 questions. So do not take it for granted, do not take it very casually, do it with all your heart and mind inside with the video, so that you can at least understand that at the end of the video, after end of 10 minutes or 12 minutes, you know that you have learned a lot. Okay, you don't have to rush and check your books, you don't have to turn your pages here and there, your homework copy, your classwork copy, all these things you can keep aside and just focus on the video for 10 minutes and you will learn a lot. Okay, that is the primary motto of our classes, of our teaching process. Now let's focus on this question, and this is basically match the following. So it's in list 1 we have got books or theory proposed or the characteristics, and the list 2 we have got the author's name or the thinker or the name of the theory. Okay, now first is, it is said fine for parking, so I parked my car here. It's basically a theory. It's not theory, it's a kind of characteristic. She is not famous because she is not well known. I can lift every single part of my car, so I can lift my car. Have you stopped cheating in your exam? And we have got the options as petitum principii, composition, equivocation, and complex question. Tell me. So basically, let me tell you one thing before starting this. Sorry. What is a fallacy? Over here we have seen fallacy. What is a fallacy? ये है क्या चीज़? अगर कोई ये पी नहीं है, हाँ ये एफ है, अगर कोई फैलेसी के बारे में बात कर रहा है, ये फैलेसी है क्या? इट्स एन एरर, बेसिकली एन एरर. Error for what? Error in reasoning that makes, in reasoning that makes an argument logically weak or invalid. Clear? So even if it appears convincing, it will become very weak. Okay, now what is in the question? Match the following, that we have all know. So first is about the with the correct type of fallacy. Now petitum principii is the, it's about what a petitum principii talks about. What is the way? It's a theory. It's kind of begging the question. Then comes composition. So basically it is about begging the question, and the conclusion is already assumed in the premise. In the when we are talking about begging petitum principii, it's about begging the question, and another point is conclusion. Conclusion is already assumed in the premise. Circular reasoning, basically circular reasoning, x is true because x is true. Okay, it doesn't mean anything. Number 2 is composition. And what does it mean? It means what is true of part is assumed true of the whole. So when you accept something true in parts, that means you think the entire, you assume true of the whole. It's a wrong jump. Okay, completely wrong jump. Number 3 is equivocation. Same word used in different meanings within argument. It means same words used in different meanings in argument, okay, or within the argument. So what is confusion then wrong conclusion, confusion then wrong conclusion. तो क्या होता है वहाँ पे वर्शिप में, पहले कन्फ्यूजन होते हैं, उसके बाद गलत, रॉन्ग, ऑब्वियसली कन्फ्यूजन रहेगा तो रॉन्ग कंक्लूड करोगे ना, रॉन्ग कंक्लूजन. ओके, एंड लास्ट इज कॉम्प्लेक्स क्वेश्चन. Means a question that assumes something controversial. The name says it all. A question that assumes, I hope that you are writing it down, something controversial. Okay, like forces answer into trap, hidden assumption inside the question. So now solve each statement. First is saying, it is said find parking, so I parked my car here. Over here, it is said find for parking, so I parked my car over here. Find has got two meanings. Two meanings. First find over here is penalty, and find means okay or allowed. This is equivocation when you have got two meanings, penalty and another means fine, okay or allowed. Clear? So it will be definitely equivocation, because just now we have learnt it that same words used in different meaning in argument. So A will be 3. A will be 3. Let's check. There are two options in option number 1 and in option number 4 where you have got A3. So we have to wait for other options. But easily we can do one thing. We can strike out option number 2 and option number 3, because A has been given 1, which is absolutely wrong. So we know A will be 3. Okay, clear? Now next one. She is not famous because she is not well known. What does it mean? So same idea has been repeated. Not famous, not well known. Obviously, what does it mean? It's round and round. It's going. It doesn't mean anything. If she was well known, then she is famous, right? It doesn't make any sense. So it will be B will be 1. It will be definitely petitive principle, circular reasoning. So B will be 1. See over here, B is 1 and over here B is 4. We have got this is wrong and this is correct. Okay, petitive principle that we have got. C will be obviously, I can lift every single part of my car, so I can lift my car. It will be C2 composition, because you have something in parts which you can do. You have assumed that the whole thing you can do. Parts individually is not equal to whole collectively. Part work that you can do doesn't mean at all the works that at the same time you can do. So whole is whole collectively you cannot do that. Okay, that much is there. Number D, have you stopped cheating in your exam? It's kind of complex questions. It's a you were cheating before, track questions. If you say yes, that means you were cheating before, and if you say no, it means that you are cheating right now. Okay, so that means you are still cheating rather. Okay, so equivocation is word confusion, not word interference, and beginning the question is circular logic, no proof, and composition parts. You have got these things. So Yeah, nothing more to learn over here. There are informal fallacies also, errors in content, not structure, very important in argument analysis, political discourse, media literacy. You can connect this too, but I won't say right now. You don't have to go in depth over there, okay? And you can connect this to Aristotle's sophistical refutations that you can connect. Okay, that much is all that you need to learn. Now I have given it enough. I have given you enough descriptions, and I think I have explained it to you very clearly. And I hope that you do not have any problem. But if you still have got some problem, please call us in this number 9062395123 is very much there on your screen. You can also ask for study materials, sit for mock test, and join our classes or batches. Okay, one more question to go. Let's jump there. Have a lovely day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.